In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional lower third for video using Adobe Photoshop. Lower thirds are those clean title graphics you often see at the bottom of videos that display someone's name, role, or important information. They are commonly used in YouTube videos, interviews, documentaries, and online courses. The best part is that you can design one very quickly in Photoshop and export it with transparency so you can use it in any video editor. If you create content for YouTube, social media, or client videos, learning this simple technique can instantly make your videos look more professional. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. Go to File and click on New. For the size, set the width to 1920 pixels and the height to 1080 pixels. This is the standard resolution for most HD videos, which means your lower third will perfectly fit typical video projects. Once you enter the dimensions, click Create and Photoshop will open a blank canvas that matches your video frame size. Next, we're going to create the bar that sits at the bottom of the lower third. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar on the left. You can also press the shortcut key U on your keyboard. Now click and drag near the bottom of the canvas to draw a long horizontal rectangle. This will act as the background bar for your lower third text. Don't worry too much about the color right now because you can easily change it from the top toolbar or the properties panel. Many creators use dark colors, brand colors, or semi-transparent shapes for this bar. Now let's add the text that will appear on the lower third. Select the type tool from the toolbar or press the T key on your keyboard. Click slightly above the rectangle you created and type the name you want displayed. This is usually the person's name, so it should be larger and more prominent. After that, create another text line underneath it and type the title or role, such as host, editor, or content creator. Make this second line smaller so there is a clear visual hierarchy between the name and the role. Once your text is added, you can start styling the lower third. Select the rectangle layer and change the color using the color picker in the top toolbar. You can match this with your brand colors or choose something that contrasts nicely with your video. If you want a softer design, open the properties panel and increase the rounded corner value for the rectangle. This will give the bar smooth rounded edges, which often look more modern in video graphics. To keep everything organized, select the rectangle layer and both text layers in the Layers panel. Then press Ctrl and G on your keyboard to group them together. Grouping layers helps keep your project clean and makes it easier to move or edit the lower third later. Finally, we'll export the graphic so it can be used in a video editor. Go to File, then Export, and choose Export As. In the export window, set the format to PNG. Before exporting, make sure the background layer is turned off so the file has a transparent background. This transparency is what allows the lower third to appear on top of your video without a solid background. Click Export and save the PNG to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully created a clean lower third graphic in Photoshop that you can drop into any video project. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.